Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use the wedding filter on TikTok. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to go ahead and tap on TikTok. Next is to tap on search here at the top right and search for wedding filter. Now, in the search results, you are going to look for the wedding filter that you are looking for. Once done, what you want to do is to press any of the effects and record now. Once you have chosen the effect, the trending sound will also be selected as well. So once you are ready to go and ready to take a video, just go ahead and tap on the red record button and do your poses. Now, you'll be able to see yourself on a wedding filter. Once you are satisfied with everything, you can now save and upload your video on your TikTok account. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now use the wedding filter on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.